You wake up, same routine, same silence, and you've been strong for everybody else, but lately, feels like that fight has left you. And here's what no one tells you. You don't lose purpose because you're getting older. You lose it because the mission, it changed and nobody gave you new orders. And the kids grow up, the job stops defining you, and suddenly the man who once had fire feels like he's just maintaining. And when I left the military, I thought my mission was over. The uniform, that structure, that sense of direction, gone. And for a while I drifted. I trained, I worked, I kept moving, but I wasn't going anywhere. And then I realized something important. Purpose, it isn't a trophy that you win. It's a fight that you show up for every day. And the second that you stop leading yourself, well, the world stops following you. So here are 3 steps to help reclaim your why. Step 1, audit your days. Write down 2 columns, what drains you and what fuels you. You'll find that your next mission hiding in the things that give you energy. Step 2, you got to raise 1 standard. Pick 1 area, fitness, mindset, relationships, and then raise your standard. Just 5%, not overhaul, just 5%, because small upgrades, well, they compound. And the man who improves 5% each day becomes unstoppable over time. Number 3, serve again. Purpose lives in service, and you don't need to save the world, just help 1 person. Mentor a younger man, coach someone going through a challenge. When you serve, you're gonna feel alive again. Look, you've carried weight most men will never understand, and I get that. Now it's time to use that strength differently, to build, to teach, to lead again. And purpose isn't something that you find, it's something that you forge every single morning when your feet hit the floor. Listen, I'm building something new, a brotherhood called Built for Battle, not another self-help group. It's a base camp for men who still have fight left in them. And I'm putting together a small founding group of men who want to shape this space, men like you who've been through the fire and aren't quite done yet. And if that's you, join us in Built for Battle. Help me build it and be strong.